Hi guys, so today is Friday, August 28th, 2026. We're going to look at how gold and Bitcoin are doing right now. So first, this is the daily chart of gold, and you can see that it is still moving sideways after reaching almost 4,700. Actually, it's 46.97 on Tuesday. And as we can see that it is actually giving us a kind of very revealing price action. As you can see that the Monday candle is like a move up, and then we have a like a kind of very small body candle here, and then we have a red candle with the low kind of short or narrow lower wick, and this is it is called the evening star price action, which is the bearish price action, and it is also coincide with the with the with the line here. As you can see, if I connect this pivot and this pivot, and then we can see that it is actually the current high at around 4,700 is almost touched this line. So this trend line, like if we going further and further, so if I go further back in 2025, and you can see that it's touching here. So it is showing a confluence. First, the trend line back in 2025 is broken in June, and then right now it is going up back to test this trend line, and then we see the bearish price action here. So that's why I was saying in the previous video that I'm looking for a pullback, a significant pullback, before I can risk my capital again on my long position. Although right now I'm only interested in the long position, but this is still a waiting game, and I'm still waiting for a better entry right now. So I'm gonna wait until September, probably after the FOMC meeting on September, to see if we have a significant pullback, preferably below the 4,300, which is this level. So it's still waiting game, and we'll see how it goes next week. So moving on to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin also the same story, that it is going up too fast, and it is still we are still in the bearish trend, and it is still not yet to break the previous lower high at around 82,700. And if we connect the the line, this pivot and this pivot, gonna see that it is showing very nice touch here, almost here and here, and then the line is broken here in June, and then we are testing the line again right now, and we can see that on Tuesday, August 25th, we have a long upper wick candle, a red long upper wick candle here, and right now it is touching the line, and it is forming a red candle, the daily red candle right now. So Bitcoin is up against a strong trend line, and I want to see Bitcoin having 1 or 2 week close decisively above this trend line. So for the weekly chart, we can see that it is still below this trend line, and then I want to see it close above this trend line for 1 and 2 weeks, not just close for 1 week and the next week it, get the selling pressure to push the price below the trend line immediately, but I want to see the holding pattern to see the sustained price above this trend line. So we'll see how it goes for the next 1 or 2 weeks. I'll wait until after the FOMC meeting on September to see if Bitcoin can actually break this trend line and hold the price above this for 1 or 2 weeks. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session on Monday. Bye.